Hi, my name is Aya Rose. I am an 11th grader at Arise Academy. And Arise Academy means so much to me because their staff, each and every one of their staff, helps kids individually with any problem that they need. They take time out their day to help them with personal problems, school problems, any kind of problem they need. And this is not just a regular school to me. At this school, like not I can't say teacher, but most of the staff are here to like help us. They sit down personally and talk to us. They stay after. Sometimes I have so many staff phone numbers that I could call outside of school if I have problems that can help me. I just think Rise Academy is best for me. Like if I was at a regular school, I probably wouldn't be able to make it because I had a lot of problems. And here they sit down and actually talk to me and help my problems.
Is it important to you that you're able to share your backgrounds and your life story with other kids who've been through similar kinds of things that you've been
Yes,
through?
and that's another thing. There's a lot of kids here that has went through the same things I've been through. It's kids that been through worse. So at this school, it's like everybody's here to like basically help each other because everybody knows that they have their own separate problems, and most people have the same problems. So everyone helps each other out as much as they can here.
And would you like to see the school stay open?
Yes, yes, I does. I really do want to see the school stay open because it's not just the ones that they have for already. It's probably a bunch of other kids that might need the same help and support that we get. So if this school stay open, once we graduate, the other kids can come here and they can graduate too.
And when you grow up, what do you want to be?
I want to be a lawyer or like a social worker, PO, or something like that.
Isn't that great? And you feel the school's going to help you do that?
Yes,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
That's it. Thanks so much, Jasper.